If you're spending more than 15 minutes creating content for your real estate property listings, you're doing it wrong. Hey, I'm Lowell Brown, and for the last 20 plus years, I've been helping real estate agents level up their digital marketing. We're talking everything from social media marketing, Facebook and Instagram posts, email marketing, you name it. I've been helping realtors with tips, tricks, so they can do more in less time. Here's what most real estate agents struggle with. And if this is you and it sounds familiar, that's totally cool, because I've helped so many real estate agents. And when I talk to them, they tell me that one of the biggest things they struggle with is preparing content for their listings. And tell me if this is familiar. You have a new listing, you sit in front of your screen, you're trying to come up with something creative, something different and unique to write about the listing. And you sit in front of your computer, there's a blank screen with a cursor popping up, and you're sitting there for hours. You don't know what to do, and you're trying to write something creative, something different, something that's going to catch some attention. What happens is after 20 minutes, maybe a half an hour, you default back to using that MLS listing you posted and taking that copy, popping it into Instagram and adding just listed. Sound familiar? I mean, it's what everybody's doing. I see so many posts with house after house after house, and it says just listed. And that's how you're introducing your property. But you know what? It's the same as everybody else. And that's why it doesn't stand out. That's why it's not getting so many likes and comments. That's why it's not doing what you're hoping it's doing. You got to be different. You got to go beyond the basics. And it really doesn't have to take a lot of time. What if I told you there's a better way? What if I told you that you could take that one listing and produce 7 pieces of content or more in 15 minutes or less? All you need is a system, a simple step-by-step process that you can follow for not just this one listing, but for every new listing you get. And the thing is, the more you use this system, the easier it gets. The easier it gets, the more creative you can get with it, and the more unique posts that you can do. A simple step-by-step process that saves you time, that takes the frustration away, and that allows you to create content that's going to stand out. Content that's going to be separated from the just listed posts that you see out there. Something that's going to engage someone who's on social media by the visuals, by the story of the property. It's going to stand out. It's going to make a difference. And not only that, you can take this content and use it in so many ways. I'm talking about carousels for social media posts. I'm talking about creating a video script so you can do a reel, or a video recording, or a voiceover recording of a property, or drone video. You could create an email for your email database to tell them about the listing. You could create a LinkedIn post. You can write better captions for your Instagram posts. You could use it for Facebook and Instagram ad copy that's going to stand out and make a difference. All of this and more. It's simple. It's easy. It takes away all the stress when you're following a system. This is exactly what I teach realtors how to do. You see, I've been working with realtors for over 20 years, and a lot of the times the same questions come up when I'm doing one-on-one Zoom calls, or I'm helping them with Facebook ads, or helping them with landing pages, whatever it is. The one story I keep hearing is that they're frustrated by the amount of time it takes and the stress from having to do something different over and over again, or not having enough time, feeling like you don't have enough time to get it all done and get it all planned out. This is exactly what I teach realtors who are tired of spending hours on content. I've created something new, and I want you to check it out. It's called the 15-minute listing kit. Now, here's the thing. Write a comment below. Tell me, just say yes if you've ever been frustrated by the amount of time it's taken you to create copy and captions and content for social media, or for any other digital marketing stuff that you've got going on. I want to give this to you free. There's a link below where you can download my free kit. It's going to save you time because we go through a step-by-step process. We're going to use AI platforms like ChatGPT. I've got everything planned out for you in this complete guide so you can follow a simple process. I've got prompts, very detailed, organized prompts. All you have to do is fill in a couple blanks, and it'll help you get more creative with your content on social media. 7 different examples of how you can use this, produce better content. It'll save you time, and you can get started today. It's free. So all you have to do is download this kit right now, get your copy, check it out, tell me what you think, and we'll see if we can level up your digital marketing. My name's Lowell Brown. I hope you'll join me so we can continue to level up your digital marketing. Find some more videos coming up right after this one, and I'll see you in the next video.